Good morning students, it's a video of computer subject for class 7th and today we will start next topic of chapter number 2nd and topic name is application. Okay, application or app are the computer programs that are designed to run on a smartphone, tablet, laptop on a computer. Means computer program just like a application app are program which are designed to perform a predefined task on the smartphone, tablet and laptop and computer. Okay, within the technical limitation of the device, app can do almost anything from becoming a remote to locking your vehicle. With the help of application and programs, you can do maximum task. Even you can lock your car, lock any vehicle by the app. Observe any smartphone and you will find many different type of the apps installed on it. When you run any mobile and computer, you can see there are a lot of apps are installed. The aim behind use of the application is to make life easier so that you can get time to do a lot of things in the same time frame. Means with the help of applications and software you can perform very complex task in very easy way and very less time. That's the reason you have a lot of time to do for another task. Example of common application installed on your mobile device are web browser, music player and calendar. Some common applications that are installed in your mobile, tablet and laptops that are web browser, music player and calendar, etc. And next topic is app store. You can install app from your distribution platform like Google Play Store, App Store, iOS, Windows Store, Amazon App Store, etc. Means you can install various applications from different platforms like Google Play Store, App Store, Windows Stores and Amazon App Store, etc. Most of the app on the Play Store are free while other available for minor fee. Most of applications which are available on the Play Store that are free, but some app are not free and they are charged minor fee. These app also contain in all purchase within mean you have to send money to this app in your return for product or service. Means any app, any software which are not on a free, on that case you pay the money and after that they provide the services. Next topic is computer ethics. There are certain procedure values and practice that are you should be aware of while using the computer for personal and professional use. Means when you use any just a minute. When we use any computer and mobiles and etc., on that case you have follow some rules, or we can say that ethics when you use a computer. We call them computer ethics. Set up rules that must be followed when you use a computer, that is called the ethics. In this chapter, in this part of chapter, we are going to study about some computer ethics that users should strictly adhere to while surfing on the internet. Means when you search anything from the internet, on that condition you should follow some set of rules, means ethics. And next topic is intellectual property rights. Whenever you given a school project, you search for topic on internet, most of the time copy it is in your file. Means somebody your school given some project to the student. On that case, students search that particular project on the internet, and they copied all the content that available on the internet. While this may be way to practice the topic, you are directly copying someone content without his and her permission. On that case, that student do not get the permission from the author of the content. Intellectual property rights protect the legal right of a person over his and her content, both artistic and commercial. Means suppose intellectual intellectual property rights protect the legal right. Means intellectual property right provide the authority of the content of the author. If anybody copy his content, he do the claim. These rights give exclusive control of the content to its creator and protect his and her intellectual property. Therefore, if you ever need to copy some content from the internet, always remember to give a credit to the website or author by giving proper citation whenever it is due. Means when you are searching any content from the internet, on that condition you will properly see it is it should not be copyright content. At the same time, you can take help from the such site whenever where content is provided free without any copyright issues. Means you will always try to copy any content from the internet. It should be free, and it should be not any copyright issues. Okay, students, that's all for today, and thank you, students.